morning everyone, this is Jason from Royal Construction. We have Logan back here and I'd like to welcome you to our most recent completed project. We have Trex toasted sand field boards and we have coastal bluff picture framing. They were all installed with the hidden fastener system, which is proprietary to Trex. Field boards were screwed in with the color matching deck screws. The railing system is a Trex Transcend railing system with the crown top rail. This is vintage lantern with treehouse balusters, black wedge lighting for the rail as well. Royal Construction is a Trex Pro Gold contractor that allows us to warranty this project 25 years on the material and 6 years on the labor. All of this material was purchased from YBC, Art Street, Williamsport, and I'd like to give a big thank you to them as well. So thanks for joining us today. Have a good day.